Now let's talk about 3 single crochet in 1 stick. 3 is C in 1 straight for short. This is usually used in curved places. Now let's do this on a rib of fabric. This is the state of the ship stitch after the last circle. Because it's a single crochet stitch. Sew again, we'll hook a chain stitch. And then we start to hook. Hook 3 single crochet into the first stitch. Hook the first single crochet into the first stitch. Hook a second single crochet in the same stitch. Hook a third single crochet in the same stitch. Sew hook 3 single crochet in the same stitch. This is the first stitch. We add the marker buckle. This hook method is generally used in curved corners. And then we'll do it again. 3 single crochet in a stick. That's 3 single crochet hooks in the same stitch. That's the second one. Here are 3 single crochet. Then we demonstrate on the first circle of square fabric crochet with chain stitch. Again, hook a chain stitch first. Flip fabric. Here on the last stitch of the last lap. Let's hook 3 single crochet in the same stitch. Hook 3 single crochet in the same stitch. This is what happens after the hook. That's 3 single crochet. Add a marking button to the first pin. And then we'll do it again. Here on the second stitch. 3 single crochet hook in the same stitch. This is the second one.